All right. Good evening, everybody. We are TractionBooks. TractionBooks is a CRM that finds sales leads for your product, especially during product launches. What is the problem with the current CRMs? For one, you have to fill leads into the CRM. Number two, you have a lot of leads, and it's very hard to find out who are your leads versus who are your competitors. This is especially true during product launches, right? Because during the first month, you have a lot of hype and buzz. You get a sense of, we have made it. But then 1 month later, most of the conversation you have is with your competitors and technology enthusiasts and not your customers. What if a CRM could scorch the web and find the right leads for your customers and find out which one will convert into customers so that you can focus on them? That's what TractionBooks allows you to do. So let's log in into the CRM. And once you log in, you will be able to see the product launches that I have done. So for example, in this case, because it's going through the login, I can see Guesswork, the product that I've launched, and you can see this is a machine learning product to predict customer intention. And let's click on this book. It opens up and then shows a lead, Mahesh, who is a co-founder of AdSquare, who upvoted Guesswork on Product Hunt. And it says, this is a high probability of conversion, and that's why you have a thumbs up. How did it come up with this conclusion? On the top right, you can see that Mahesh has interests on Ruby on Rails, Chennai, and technology. Your product, Guesswork, is also on the technology side. So there is an intersection of technology. So from an interest standpoint, there is high probability. Down below, you can see that Mahesh is connected through your customers. So from the QuickBook customer list, it finds out who are the leads who are connected through your customers, because the best way to convert leads into customers is through word of mouth via your existing customer base, right? So based on these two predictive analytics, it finds out who are likely to convert into customers. And when you click on Engage, it automatically starts a conversation on Twitter. Think about it. A best way to find leads and convert them using your existing customer base. That's what TractionBooks allows you to do.
So it pulls the customer info out of QuickBooks and helps you market to them, basically, to their connections?
It basically finds out the leads based on social media and your launch sites like TechCrunch, Product Hunt, and then finds out who your existing customers are and how they are related to your leads so that you can market it to them via this conversation. And along with that, it also finds out the interest level so that you find out whether they are a relevant lead in the first place, right?
So does it do anything to help you contact that person after that?
Yeah, that's the conversation.
Oh, okay.
So it automatically creates the conversation. As you can see, it's on Twitter, and it automatically logged in into my Twitter account. And it says, thanks for upvoting Guesswork on Product Hunt, because it gives you the context, and then says, great to be connected with you. So it tracks that conversation inside the CRM as well. All of these things are built in single day, by the way.
So how are you going to get the customers in QuickBooks to opt in to allow you to see that information?
So currently, when you authorize the application, that's the authorization screen that you first saw when I logged in into my account. And then when you authorize, the company that is logging in into TractionBooks authorizes to TractionBook to give access to their customer account. So based on that, we find out from social media whether this user is connected through that lead. Am I making sense, or still not clear?
It's like a client stalker app, basically, and you can find out everyone that they're connected to and sell them stuff? Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. It's like Relate IQ, but based on the existing customer base instead of your connections.